This 2025 Keystone Avalanche 380LT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona, 85213 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 8. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.